Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Roche branded CoaguChek XS System. It's a point of care testing for monitoring and adjustment of oral anticoagulation therapy. You can see this is the system. You can see it's CoaguChek from Roche. Just show you around the box. You can see the system. What are the key contents in the system? You get one XS meter, one system carry case, and 4 batteries, and lancing device, and lancet, and user manual. Okay, then I'll show you the other side. Other side, you can see the reference number, lot number, the expiry period for the lancets. This is manufactured in Germany. You can see that. This is how the total kit looks like. So I'll show you the top also. The CE IVD certified product from Roche. You can store it in the normal temperature. Okay, let me open this. Okay, here you go. Inside there is a case. CoaguChek case, and then you get booklet. Then you have this. You can see there is a case with the instrument, and then okay, there is a complete user manual, usual manual. You can see this here from CoaguChek. So there's other language also. So there are 2 things. So you can use English version, and then you get another booklet. It says CoaguChek. You can see that it says CoaguChek with the language. You can see this here. Okay, then I think I prefer to open this case. Actually, I'm opening this case for you. Got this open. You can see inside there is an instrument. I can show you here. You can see the instrument, CoaguChek instrument. You can see the instrument backside. There's an instrument. There is one lancing device. I think this is the lancing device. You can see the lancing device like a pen. Soft clicks. That's a lancing device, and then there is a 4 batteries that goes inside the. You can see there are batteries. There are 4 batteries, and then the lancing. You can see the lancets. Okay, if you look at today, we are seeing the unboxing of Roche CoaguChek XS System. Basically, this is used for the coagulation check. In the instrument pack, which is basically point of care, which is used for self-testing, in the box, you get the case, and then the instrument, the CoaguChek instrument, and then a lancing device, and lancets, and the batteries, and one user manual. This is how the complete kit look like. Okay, thank you.
CoaguChek XS. INR self-monitoring made easy. The CoaguChek XS system offers a simple, convenient, and safe way of INR self-monitoring. This video guide will show you how to use the meter properly. Please be sure to read your entire manual carefully before you use the meter. Let's start with preparing the test. Please have the following items nearby: the CoaguChek XS meter, the CoaguChek XS PT test strip container, the code chip belonging to these test strips, the CoaguChek SoftClicks lancing device, the CoaguChek SoftClicks lancets. Now we will look at the front of the meter. Press the on/off button to turn the meter on or off. Press the M button to view the previous results stored in the memory and to change the meter settings. Press the Set button to enter or change the meter settings. At the back of the meter is the battery compartment cover. You can use 4 1.5-volt AAA type batteries. When inserting the batteries, please ensure the meter is turned off. The code chip slot is on the right side. This is where the code chip has to be inserted. Please ensure that the number on the code chip matches the number of the label on the test strip container. Slide the new code chip into the slot on the side of the meter until you feel it snap into place. Now you can turn on the meter by pressing the on/off button to enter the setup mode. First, select the date format. The preset is day, month, year. Press the M button to select the desired date format. And save your setting by pressing the Set button. The next step is to set the current year. Press the M button to change the flashing number until the correct year is displayed. And save your setting again by pressing the Set button. Now the preset month is flashing, and you have to press the M button until the correct month is displayed. By pressing the Set button, you can save your setting. The final step is to set the current day. Press the M button to change the flashing number until the correct day is displayed, and once again, save the correct day by pressing the Set button. The display now changes automatically to the time format setting. Just press the Set button to confirm the desired format. Accordingly, the display changes to the time setting. First, press the M button to change the hours and save your setting. Then repeat the last steps to adjust the correct minutes. And finally, press the Set button to save the new time settings. It is important that you select the right coagulation unit. The CoaguChek XS meter offers you 3 options: the seconds, the quick value, and the INR value. Please ask your doctor if you are not sure what to select here. Press the M button to move through the 3 options and confirm your setting as above using the Set button. Now you can choose whether you want the beep tone on or off. It is recommended to leave the beep tone turned on. Please press the Set button to save your setting. The display automatically moves on to the next setting option. If you have selected the unit INR, you can now choose whether you want an additional element to be displayed. This shows if the result is above or below your therapeutic target range. First, press the M button to toggle between off and on, and once again press the Set button to save your setting. If you have decided to use this function, you are now able to enter the limits of your target range. Consult your doctor about which target range is appropriate for you. Please press the M button to set the lower limit within the range, 1.5 to 3.5 INR. Press the Set button to confirm. Now press the M button to set the upper limit within the range, 2.5 to 4.5 INR, and again press the Set button to confirm. As you can see on the display, the setup procedure is now complete, and the meter automatically enters test mode. If you don't want to proceed with testing, you can now turn the meter off. Before you start testing, please wash your hands with soap and warm water and dry thoroughly. Now you are ready to prepare the lancing by inserting a fresh lancet into the lancing device. Fix the lancet and keep the device nearby. Place the meter on a level, vibration-free surface, or hold it in your hand so it is roughly horizontal. Insert a test strip and hold it so the labeling is facing upwards. As you will see, the meter turns on automatically. Please remember to close the strip container again. The code number of the code chip inserted is displayed. Make sure that this number is identical to the code number printed on the test strip container. Please press the M button to confirm that these two numbers are identical. Using the wrong code chip can produce inaccurate results. The code number stops flashing and the test strip is warming up. This is the perfect time to start getting your blood sample. Before you start lancing, let your hand dangle for a moment and then gently massage the finger. Pick up the lancing device and lance the side of the fingertip. Don't worry, CoaguChek Soft Clicks allows a virtually pain-free blood puncture. Gently massage the finger while keeping an eye on the 180-second countdown. It is very important to apply the drop of blood within 15 seconds of lancing. Apply the blood drop to the side of the sample application area. You can also apply the blood drop to the top of the strip. The test strip draws up the blood by capillary action. During this process, it is important to hold the blood drop to the test strip until the flashing symbol has disappeared and the meter beeps. At this point, the testing begins. The meter performs an automatic quality control check on the test strip, and QC appears on the display. Following a successful outcome of the quality control check, a tick appears after QC and the coagulation measurement begins. The hourglass flashes until the result is displayed. It is automatically saved to memory. Now you can change the unit if you wish by pressing the Set button. The result of the actual measurement is displayed in the INR value, in seconds, or in the quick value. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the measurement. Please remove the test strip and press the On/Off button to turn the meter off. The CoaguChek XS meter has a 100 value memory for saving results along with their time and date. If you wish to view the last results, then please press the M button to turn the meter on. To view back results, press the M button. Date and time are also shown, so that it is easy for you to enter the test results in your coagulation diary and for your doctor to interpret the values, so you can be confident that your therapy can be optimally geared towards your needs. CoaguChek XS. INR self-monitoring made easy.